Stephanie Cat, today we are going to Sky Zone.
Really? Yay, yay, yay.
Yeah, but we want you to be on your best behavior. What are we waiting for? Let's head to the car.
When they got to Sky Zone.
Okay, now put your socks on.
Okay, Mom. I'm ready now.
Okay, now go have fun.
What was that? Oh, hey, Scratch Cat.
Hey, Stefania Cat. Wat pistrik? IT scalet de front flip.
Cool.
Stephanie Cat, I cannot believe that you behave at Sky Zone. Now let's go home. Oh, Scratch Cat. Home time.
When they got home.
You did a great job at doing flips, Scratch Cat. Now, Stephanie Cat, you are ungrounded forever.
You can do whatever you want.
Oh, thank you, family. You are the best.